learning you have a brain tumor, boy, that is tough news to face for anyone. But one Sevier County woman says she was able to overcome her diagnosis thanks to cookies.
Reporter Shannon Smith introduces us to the Bearfoot Baker.
You gotta kind of love royal icing.
It all started with a $60 Santa Claus cookie cutter.
And I opened the box and I looked at him and I said, Santa, we have to make this work.
Lisa Snyder quit her job in 2009 and needed to find something new. That's when she saw the Santa cookies on TV and decided to see if she could recreate them.
I stayed in this kitchen and I hugged and loved cookies for 3 months.
10 years, a blog, and a book deal later, cookies are a full-time job.
I get paid to do this, which is awesome. It is so much fun.
Snyder, known to her fans as the Bearfoot Baker, has more than 42,000 followers on Instagram who watch her decorating videos and read her tips.
You know what my goal in life is?
Tell me.
To get everyone in the world to decorate cookies.
The Sevier County Baker doesn't charge people for recipes or advice. She just wants to help them learn.
You did it.
Oh my gosh.
But a couple months ago, these online followers changed from fans to supporters. Snyder dealt with a severe unknown illness for nearly 2 years until she finally got a diagnosis this spring.
Went to a new doctor. She ordered an MRI. A couple days later, they told us that I had a massive brain tumor and I needed to go straight to the neurosurgeon.
Going into her surgery to remove that tumor, she took to the internet to ask her cookie friends for help.
I need something from you guys. I need you guys to pray for me, please. Pray that God's will be done and it won't be anything traumatic at all. We're just going to go through it and we're going to come out the other side. If you don't care, pray for me.
And that's what they did.
I had people all over the world sending me emails and Facebook messages and Instagram messages telling me they're praying for me, and I've never met them.
3 months later, Snyder is still feeling the impact of thousands of anonymous prayers for her recovery.
I actually felt the people praying for me, and I felt the people showing me love.
She even made a cookie of her tumor that she named Bouncer to cope with the very thing that almost killed her.
When you picked up the cookie, the tumor fell out, and that's what I needed to see. It was hard making those cookies. It was very emotional.
Now, Snyder is just ready to get back to baking full-time.
God has just lifted me up, and here I am, so I'm ready to go again.
That's incredible.
What an inspiration, and Snyder wants to hit home that if you feel something's off, certainly go see a doctor. We want to bring in Shannon, who's sharing this story with us today, complete with cookies. You got a tutorial.
I got to learn how. I got to help. I did the white part on this popsicle cookie, but it's such a skill. It really is, to be able to see what people like this can do. And after everything she's overcome, she kept saying, you know, she's a little shaky, didn't quite get the details she wanted, but I think this is still
I'm
awesome
like, what are you
cookie.
talking about? It looks amazing.
I think it's
You guys,
perfect.
Yeah, check some out here. I got chocolate ice cream.
Goodness
We
gracious.
will. Oh my goodness. Well, how's she doing?
She's doing great.
Okay.
3 months tomorrow, she can drive again, which she's really looking forward to. Go visit her grandkids soon. And she's been so positive through it all, and she says the cookies are a huge part of it.
And it's amazing, this audience that she's built on Instagram and how that became such a strength and such a support for her during her surgery and diagnosis.
Right, and like she said, all over the world, she opened her Instagram messages, emails, and saw all these people she'd never seen before just saying, hey, like, we hope you're doing okay. We wish you luck. Like, you got this. And she said that just made the difference to her. And it was all thanks to the cookie community, which she says is just such a loving and opening and really nice group of people.
I love it. She's such an inspiration.
Yes.
Great story,
Must
a
have been nice
sweet
for you to
story.
meet her,
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I have so many cookies. Thank you, Lisa. I know you're watching. I can't
So,
wait to eat more.
has
of
she
them.
inspired you?
Oh my gosh, yes. I'm ready to decorate. Like, I did half of this cookie, and it was really relaxing. You know, you guys should all try it.
Therapeutic. We
Lisa,
just might.
we hope you continue to get better.
Absolutely.
And thanks for the inspiration.
Yeah.
That was great.
I hope so.
And thanks for the cookie, too.